Hi, this is Steve Stenros, First Choice Inspections, with another Inspection Minute. I get asked all the time by clients about cracks in stucco, whether they're serious or not, whether they have to be patched or not, whether water will come in there or not. Let's take a look at the bottom corner of this window. I'm going to put my finger next to this crack so you can tell the size of it. This is a very thin crack running down through the stucco, and it comes from the corner of the window. There's another one at the bottom corner of this window over here. These are very thin cracks. These are commonly called check cracks. When stucco is applied, it's a cementitious product, and when it dries, it shrinks. So concrete cracks when it shrinks. This is quite common. Nothing to be concerned about. Typically you will find these cracks at the corners of doors and windows, areas where these cracks may occur more commonly. These cracks are not going to allow water into the house. Stucco actually is not waterproof in itself. The water will soak in and be absorbed by the stucco. The waterproof barrier is actually behind the stucco. It's the building paper behind the stucco that keeps moisture out of the home. So these thin cracks are nothing to worry about. If they ever crack wide enough and get large enough that you can slip a quarter inside the crack, then you may want to think about having the crack repaired. But typically these cracks are not an issue to be concerned with. Now, if you saw a continuous pattern of cracks running in a certain direction along the side of a house, that could be a sign of a more serious structural issue. Or if you see a definitive crack that's very heavy crack running down the side of a house or something, that could be a more serious issue. So each crack needs to be evaluated by a trained set of eyes, and but these thin cracks here that we just looked at are really quite harmless. And again, at the top corner of this door, we see some more thin cracking running up through the stucco, up to the ventilation port for the garage. Again, this cracking is very small, it's very thin, nothing to be concerned about. If this cracking should ever get wide enough where a quarter could be slipped inside the crack, then you may want to think about repairs on it.